What's the matter with Coach? Is he dead?
No, he's drunk.
But the season starts tomorrow. We don't have our positions, our batting orders, nothing.
I know. We're not ready to play. We've got nothing but a boozer for a coach.
Well, maybe we could wait till he sobers up?
Yeah, right.
Well, what else can we do?
What's the matter anyway? We're just gonna lose.
I guess.
And what's the good of practice? Coach couldn't throw a straight ball to save his life.
Yeah, I got the bruises to prove it.
Forget this. I'm taking his wallet.
Wait, maybe we could practice.
Right. We're even worse than Coach. How's that gonna help?
But this game starts tomorrow. My dad's not from here. He already thinks baseball's stupid. He says I should just worry about school and work.
Doesn't sound like such a bad idea right now.
I want to do things my friends do. You know, American things. What should I tell my dad?
Tell him not to come.